What was created after the Great Smog in 1952?
Alright guys, we have a lot to do today, so let's go over this. Someone raise their hand. And what was the first thing the environment, what did we talk about on Friday, Emmy?
Oh, Friday. What was created?
Do you remember? What was the first thing we talked about? Yeah.
Radioactive. Oh, smog. Yeah, sorry. I got
Smog.
smog.
Where was this at? Where was the smog at?
UK.
Yes, the United Kingdom. So remember Friday we talked about the United Kingdom, and since I wasn't here, guys, remember you guys have to help me out. I missed it, so fill me in. What is the main problem in the UK? She said smog. What is like the first? Where does smog derive? Like, what's the main idea that we talked about? Emily. Air pollution. We talked about air pollution, and then we talked about smog. All right, so tell me about smog. Why is smog a problem? Give me like a general gist of it, Taylor.
Well, smoke and fog mixed together, and it was so bad that people couldn't see. There was a lot of car wrecks.
So the smoke, what causes smog? It was in that article we read. It's smoke, and what else, Zora? The coal, like car exhaust and coal. Let's just do smoke. Oh yeah, you guys are right. It's fog mixed with smoke. And what causes it? Like when something in the sky hits this, it creates it. What's in the sky that shines down on us? Give it to me. Sun. So when the sun mixes with fog and smoke, it creates smog. Sun and fog. All right, so what was the UK, what were they doing to fix this problem? Tell me. What haven't called on yet? Yeah.
Like they were using less public transportation. More.
No, he's right. They were using less traveling. What else? Cleaner coal. What were big companies doing to monitor this? Yeah.
I actually have a question.
Okay.
Doesn't smog also have smoke?
Yes. Yeah. It's just all the chemicals from like cars and factories, all the smoke and stuff. Yeah, you're right. All right. What else? They were less traveling. They didn't use cars as much to not have the car exhaust come out and pollute the air. Cleaner coal, and there's something else I'm looking for. Yeah.
A lot of people are taking the buses.
Yeah. So less cars driving in the back. Yeah.
They're using
More
more electricity.
electricity. Let's see. I feel like there was one more. What were they doing, actively doing, when the factories were working away? What was like the government doing to monitor that? Abby, did you have your hand up?
No.
Okay. Yeah.
Didn't they have no smoke zones?
No smoke zones, and also I'm looking for, they were like checking, they were monitoring and checking the air control from the companies. Let's see, all right, so let's move on. What was the next one? What was the other thing we talked about yesterday? What did we talk about yesterday? Chris?
The Chernobyl nuclear disaster
Chernobyl where?
in Ukraine.
Good. What was the problem with Chernobyl? Chernobyl. do? Why was this a big problem? Savannah, why was Chernobyl a problem? Remember we talked about it yesterday.
Chernobyl was a problem because, like, whenever there was a nuclear power plant that exploded and all of that radiation
Yeah.
and all the radiation that went into the ground and into the air and killed a lot of people, and then it with the wars and
Yeah.
30 years later it's still here.
Yeah, so it's still affecting us, right? So we talked about how it went from this factory, it exploded and went into the air. And what did it create when the clouds traveled? What fell down?
Acid rain.
Acid rain. All right, and what was the government trying to do? Remember those guys in the masks? What were the guys in the masks called? You guys remember? Savannah? Sydney, sorry. Starts with an L. Liquidators. So they had liquidators go, and what did the liquidators do? Lexi.
I think they tried to help clean up.
Yeah. They cleaned up. They were sent in to clean up that big old mess, right? What else? What was that thing they were making what else did they make, Kylie?
That thing that went over the building.
Yeah, the big cement dome thing, right? So that's how they're trying to control this problem and contain it, right? They have that cement dome looking to keep it in. All right, so today, now we're going to talk about the effects in Germany and acid rain. So if you guys got all this down and you don't have any more questions, we're going to move on.
Shall I do this just really quick?
I'll do it.
Okay. Oh, wait.
Do you need to show? All right, real quick, we're gonna go over the acid rain in Germany.